Hello students, I am Randeep Singh and welcome to today's video session. Today we will study how to calculate the integral or integration of a function. So basically integral is of two types. First is indefinite integral and second is a definite integral. Firstly we will study indefinite integral. Let fx be a function, then the family of all its antiderivatives is called the indefinite integral of fx and is denoted by the symbol that fx dx and is read as indefinite integral of fx with respect to x. Here this is the integral sign, this symbol is the integral sign, fx is called the integrand and x is called the variable and dx is called the element of integration. And the process of finding an indefinite integral of a given function is called the integration of a function. So that's the sign of integration, that is integrand, and this is the element of a integration. And now we will learn how to calculate the integration of a function. So students, here are some standard formulas to calculate integration of various functions. You have to learn all these formulas. So first is for power function, integration of x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. And remember one thing, in indefinite integral we always put constant c in the answer. We always put constant c. The second is integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x plus c. And third is integral of e raised to power x dx is equal to e raised to power x plus c. And then integral of trigonometric functions, sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c, cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c, integral of secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c, integral of cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c, integral of secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. Then integral of cosecant x cot x dx is equal to minus cosecant x plus c. Integral of cot x dx is equal to log of mod sin x plus c. And integral of tan x dx is equal to minus log mod cos x plus c. And integral of secant x dx is equal to log of mod secant x plus tan x plus c. And integral of cosecant x dx is equal to log of mod cosecant x minus cot x plus c. So students, you have to learn all these formulas because they are very useful in driving the results. Now we will try very basic questions. The very first is calculate integral of x raised to power 4 dx. It will be equal to x raised to power 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 plus c, that is x raised to power 5 upon 5 plus c. And remember one thing, you always have to put a constant c in the result of indefinite integral. Now the second question is calculate the integral of 2 upon 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to, so it will be equal to integral of 2 upon 2 cos square x. Remember one thing, 1 plus cos x is always equal to 2 cos square x. This is the standard relation. It is always equal to 2 cos square x. And 2 is cancelled with 2 and 1 upon cos square x is equal to secant square x, and we all know formula to calculate secant square x is tan x plus c. Our next question is calculate the integral of 1 by 2 into secant square x dx. And remember here 1 by 2 is constant and we always have put constant outside the integration. So 1 by 2 came outside from the integration, and integration of secant square dx is equal to tan x plus c, and the result is 1 by 2 tan x plus c. Now the next question is calculate the integral of root x plus 1 by root x whole square dx. As we all know, 1 plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. That formula we all know, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now firstly we open the square. A square, that is root x square, x 1 by root x square, that is 1 by x plus 2ab plus 2 and dx. Now remember one thing, when we have to calculate the integral of sum of functions x plus 1 by x plus 2, then we will calculate by calculating individual integral. So that's why we calculate the individual integral, that is x dx plus 1 by x dx and integral of 2 dx. 2 is constant, so 2 is written outside the integral, that's why integral of dx. So integral of x dx will be equal to x square by 2 plus integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log mod x, and integral of dx will be equal to x. 2 is a constant, and plus c. We always have to write the constant of integration in indefinite integrals. So that's our result. That's our answer. Now moving further to the next type of integral, that is definite integral. The definition of definite integral is: let phi x be the primitive or antiderivative of a continuous function fx defined on closed interval ab, then the definite integral of fx over ab is denoted by that symbol, and it is equal to phi b minus phi a. A is here called the lower limit and b is called the upper limit. Now we will try to solve a question so that you can better understand the concept of definite integral. Now the same question, calculate the integral of x square dx with the limits 1 to 2. So simply integral of x square dx will be equal to x cube by 3, and we'll put limits here 1 to 2, and firstly we put the upper limit that in the result, that is 2 cube by 3 minus, we have to use that formula, upper limit minus lower limit by 3, and it comes out to be 7 by 3. So students, in that way you can solve the questions. And remember one thing, derivative and integration are very important tools in driving the physics derivations. They are used most of the times in driving the results. So try to understand them completely and do some question at your homes. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.